Hi, I'm Owen Honey, your local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Today we're going to be putting together a headboard. Now, a normal traditional headboard is big and bulky to carry around in a normal sedan or family vehicle. Maybe a flat pack option might be viable and easier for you to transport around. That's why this is an option. Let's put it together and show you how easy it is. So carefully open up the box and lay out all the pieces. After reading the instructions, I've realized all you need to assemble this is a screwdriver. Really simple. Let's get straight into it. Inside the pack, you should find 4 wooden dowels, 4 cam locks, 20 screws, and 2 floor protectors. Locate the right and left leg, which is parts 4 and 5, then fit the wooden dowels into both of the legs. Fit the cam locks into the cam holes at the top of the slats and screw the cam screws into the top moulding. Fit the floor protectors to the bottom of the legs. The next step is to fix the legs and the slats. Fasten the top slat to the legs and the wooden dowels and screws. Fit the top molds to the top slat with the cam locks and cam screws. Then fix the small and large slats together by sliding them into the grooves found on each slat. Start with the top slat and end with the bottom slat. Once the slats are knocked together, fasten the large slats to the legs with the screws provided. And there you have it, a double headboard that you'll be able to build with your very own hands. For more projects like this and more, get to our YouTube channel or go to our website, which is www.builders.co.za. Get to Builders, get it done.